In primetime news this evening, high school teacher in hot water after threatening to kill student. In defense of state of public emergency,
we often focus and sensationalize the negatives and quickly lose sight of the positives.
And no love lost. US and Jamaica enter new national security agreement. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrew Laidley has our preview.
Yeah, Janella, more developments in the cross-border money transfer business. Will tell you what's happening a little later in the financial week.
All right, thanks, Andrew. From Andrew, we go to Jordan for what's coming up in sports. Jordan?
Thank you very much, Herman. As they continue to mourn the passing of their captain and the former reggae girl, Terania Plum Plum Clark, Waterhouse are still continuing their hunt for another title in the JFF Women's Premier League. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the viral video showing a teacher threatening a student in the classroom?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.